I became interested in my research because there's a link between mental health in children and their educational outcomes. My view is that unless we support children's mental health and enable them to be mentally healthy, they won't succeed academically. For me, it's about creating a positive school culture in which staff and children and young people can thrive and be mentally healthy. I'm Jonathan Glazzard. I'm Professor of Teacher Education in the Carnegie School of Education. We educate children about their physical health and we teach them how to be fit and how to be active. And actually we need to educate them how to take care of their mind as well. There's a couple of significant issues facing young people today. So one, the link between social media and mental health, and two, the exam stress that children and young people are facing in school. We have developed a framework that supports schools to implement a whole school approach. The elements of the whole school approach include the role of the leadership team in creating a positive ethos and a positive culture to enable everybody within the school to thrive. We actually went into schools and we delivered a mental health curriculum. And what we did was we measured their mental health literacy before the intervention and after the intervention. And we also measured their well-being, and what we discovered was that the programme had a significant impact. So by the end of the intervention they knew more about mental health, they were able to talk about mental health, and they were able to identify help-seeking behaviours, and also their well-being improved at the end of the intervention. I think social media is a significant issue. So we know, for example, that about 7 in 10 young people experience cyberbullying. That leads to mental health problems. When I did some research last year with young people and I said to them, what do you think about social media and how is it beneficial to you? And they said it was absolutely integral to their lives. They see it as a way of networking, as a way of keeping in touch with peers. They see it as a way of gaining knowledge. It's a way of getting advice and information for those who need support. It seems to be essential for them. However, we do know it exposes them to risk and dangers. So it's about how can we teach them to be safe online and to actually be good digital online citizens to use social media responsibly and safely.
Academics at our university listen, inspire, challenge and innovate. They transform the way our students think and view the world. See how our academics and their research is making a real difference.